Hi, I'm Sean Whiteman at Zimbio.com, and I'm going to show you how to get the most out of all the pictures that Zimbio has to offer. If you click Pictures on the main navigation bar, you'll see all the freshest photos of the day. Zimbio.com gets hundreds of photo albums every day. We've got all the latest celebrity snapshots, runway photos, and even sports pictures from all over the world. You can click on any of the subheadings you see on the page, like, say, Sports, and then check out the day's freshest photos from Formula One, NFL games, rugby, tennis, cricket, golf, you name it. The Pictures page is a great way to see what's new, but we can also mail specific photos of your favorite celebrities to you if you set up picture alerts. Once you're viewing an album, you'll see a list of everyone else who appears in that album in the column on the right side. And from any album page, you can click subscribe to set up picture alerts for the celebrity in that photo, so that whenever we get new pictures of them, they'll appear in your inbox. You can subscribe to as many, or as few, picture alerts as you'd like, and of course you can cancel them anytime. That's pictures at Zimbio.com.